In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your domain name in Notion. Changing your domain is useful if you've rebranded, updated your business name, or just want a more professional URL for your public Notion pages. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own workspace as you watch. First, open Notion on your computer and make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace, the one where your public pages or website are set up. At the top left of your Notion window, you'll see the current workspace name. Go ahead and click on that. This is your profile or workspace menu, and it's where you'll find all your account and workspace level controls. Once that menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings or Settings and Members, depending on your version of Notion. Click on Settings. This will open a new panel or page where you can manage how your workspace behaves, including what's visible publicly. Inside the settings area, find and click on the section called Public Pages. This section controls anything you've shared on the web, such as documentation, portfolios, or full websites built with Notion. If you've ever used the Share to Web option on a page, this is where those settings are organized. From there, navigate to the area labeled Domains. This is where Notion keeps the configuration for the main URL that people use to access your public content. You'll usually see your current domain or subdomain listed here, like a custom name attached to Notion's domain. Next to your existing domain, look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. This will bring up a small menu of actions you can take on that domain. In that menu, select Update Domain Name. When you click this, Notion will open a field where you can type in your new desired domain or subdomain. Carefully enter the new name you want to use. Take a moment to double check the spelling and make sure it matches your brand, because this is what people will see and type into their browser. After you've entered the new domain name, confirm the change by saving or updating, following the prompt Notion gives you. Keep in mind that changing your domain may affect any existing links you've shared, so it's a good idea to test the new URL right away and update any important links on your website, social media, or documents. That's all there is to it.